Welcome to the tutorial of downloading and installing the Libby app by Overdrive for reading and listening to ebooks, e-audiobooks, and e-magazines. Before proceeding, make sure you have your library card handy. If not, contact your local library about getting one. You can find the Libby app by going to the Google Play Store on Android devices or the App Store on Apple devices. Once in the store, search for Libby by Overdrive. Install and then open the Libby app. The app will ask if you have a library card. Select Yes. There will be several options for looking up your library. Select I'll search for a library. Looking at the front of your library card, use that library name in your search. On the next screen, select the library name that you entered. Now look at the back of your library card. Enter the 14-digit number. Then select Sign In. Your card is now registered with Libby. From the home screen, there are a few ways to browse or search the collection. Under Preferences, there are different options to narrow your search. You can also choose to search for just ebooks, e-audiobooks, or e-magazines. Under Explore, there are guides to specific collections, and also ways to see new and popular titles. Or from the top of the home screen, you can search by title or author. When you've found a title, select Borrow next to the thumbnail. After you tap Borrow, look above the thumbnail to see the loan period. Tap on the number. Depending on the title, you may have the option to choose 7, 14, or 21 days for your loan. Tap Borrow to confirm. To open your loan, look in the top left corner of the screen and tap the back arrow. On the next screen, in the bottom right corner, tap Shelf. Then, to the right of the thumbnail, select Read with Libby.